In today's video, we'll continue with the construction of a concrete bench for a fire pit. The first step in the project is to create a form for the concrete. In this case, the form is made from wooden planks screwed together. Suitable tools for this task include cordless devices, such as those from Ryobi. Using individual planks is not the ideal approach for formwork, as the joints between them will remain visible on the concrete surface. A better option would be to use sheet materials, such as plywood, which provide a smoother finish. Once the form is ready, the concrete mix is prepared, in this case mixed manually. A less physically demanding option would be to use an electric mixer, for example from Stanley. The concrete is then poured into the form and compacted to ensure it fills the mold properly. I would strongly recommend using a plasticizer, which improves the homogeneity of the mix and results in a better surface finish. In this example, a wooden frame with nails is used as reinforcement inside the concrete. This is not an ideal solution. A better alternative would be to use fiberglass reinforcement fibers mixed directly into the concrete. The concrete should then be left to cure for several days before removing the form. In the video, you can see surface imperfections caused by the plank-based formwork, giving the impression that the block is made from multiple pieces. Using a plasticizer and higher quality formwork would result in a significantly better finish. Next, the base for the bench is prepared. The ground is excavated, compacted, and filled with gravel. Concrete blocks are then placed into the gravel and leveled precisely. A wooden beam is placed on top of the concrete base to serve as the seating surface. The beam is carefully sanded to ensure comfort, and multiple beams are joined together using a supporting plank. In this case, the wooden seat is not anchored to the concrete base. From a safety and usability perspective, it would be better to secure it, for example, using wall plugs, such as fisher anchors. The screw openings can then be concealed with wooden dowels for a clean visual finish. Overall, the fire pit looks very appealing, and I believe it will be a great addition to the garden and used frequently.